Okay guys, so this video I would like to explain you how to write pseudocode and draw flowchart for function. Next I will show it how to do that. Okay guys, example that I want to show you how to convert this coding into the pseudocode and the flowchart. Okay, so this coding in a function. So now I would like to teach you how to write pseudocode for function, because this pseudocode and also the flowchart you will put inside the final report. Okay, final project report, you should have the pseudocode and the flowchart for the function and also the other control structure, which is repetition. If you apply the repetition, if you apply the selection, you should convert it into the pseudocode and also the flowchart. So for the selection, repetition and sequence, I have been told you in the last week in the last chapter for the pseudocode and also the flowchart. So for the function, I don't show you the pseudocode and the flowchart for the function. So now I would like to represent you how to write pseudocode for the function. So as you can see in here, this one is for the coding, right? So if you want to convert this one into the pseudocode, you don't no need to put all of this. So in the pseudocode and also the flowchart, you don't have the function prototype. So what you need to do is, first is you have integer main, right? So for pseudocode function inside the coding, okay, that. So if you want to convert integer main into the pseudocode, you should write this one. Okay, main module. Okay, you should convert it integer main into the main module. So this one is start. Okay, start. This one is the pseudocode. So you have this one, right? The variable declaration. So for the variable declaration, if you don't have any initialization inside the variable declaration, so you no need to put in here in the pseudocode. But if you have the initialization, if you apply the, for example, if you apply the repetition, right, you have the initialization for the running variable and also for the LCV initialization. So you need to put inside the pseudocode. The keyword that you need to put is set. SET. Set, for example, set double equal to 0.0. Set I equal to 0. So you should remember. But for this example, I don't have any initialization inside my variable declaration. So I don't need to put this one into the pseudocode. Okay, this one no need. Okay, next I see the call. Okay, call function. So how we write the call function inside the pseudocode? You should write this one. Call display. Call display. That's all. Okay, call display. So next you have the cout and cin. So cout in the pseudocode, you should write it as a display. Okay, display what? Display enter a blank of. Okay, and then you have the cin, right, for the coding. For the pseudocode, you should write read. Read what? Read lang. Okay, about read lang. Okay, so next you font cout enter the width and the cin width. So you should write display enter width of room. Okay, if you write the pseudocode, you should awak kena jaga dia punya ni, orang kata indentation dia. Pastikan dia start dekat sini. Make sure the call or any word display or read, you should write sini. Okay, jarak sikit daripada start ni. Okay, so next we have the in read. So in pseudocode we have read with. Okay, so next we found area equal cut area length comma width. This one is the call function for the value returning function. Just write it like this. Okay, so make sure you don't put the semicolon inside the pseudocode like me. This is wrong. Okay, so function call. Okay, so area equal call cut area. Okay, and we have length and nampak? Okay, so you kena ikut lah coding awak dalam projek nanti. Dah siapkan, confirm you buat coding dulu. So next awak kena convertkan benda ni kepada pseudocode dan juga flowchart. So next you jumpa apa? See out, see in. So kita akan buat display. Display apa? Display enter size of tiles in centimeter. Okay, so read what? Read size tile. Okay, next you found the function call. As usual, just write like this. Num tile equal call tiles needed. Okay, you will send the area and you send the size tile. Semicolon. Okay, beware, don't put semicolon inside the pseudocode. Semicolon is just for the coding. So next we found another function called display data. So you just put call display data area num tile. Okay, that's all. So you just put it and okay, this is how you write the pseudocode for the main module. So next is the function. So function, the keyword function inside the pseudocode, we use the module. Okay, so how we write the void display into the pseudocode? So you just write it like this. Okay, module display. See? So if the pseudocode, you no need to put the data type for the function, you just put it module. Okay, and then okay, so no need to put start and end, just write it display. Welcome to our system. Okay, for end line inside the inside the pseudocode, we use the keyword new line. This one. Okay, so display the cost of your dream house. Okay, comma new line. Okay, so you just put it return. This is how we write the void display punya function di dalam pseudocode. Module display return, that's all. So misal orang tanya return, di mana dia? Return means dia void. So return ni maksudnya nak bagi tahu dekat orang yang baca, lepas dia habis dia display ni, dia akan return mana, dia akan return balik dekat void, dekat main module. Itu masuk di dalam pseudocode. Okay. So next kita akan jumpa next function. Next function we have double cut area, double length, double width. Di mana dekat dalam parameter dia terima something. So macam mana kita nak convert this one into the pseudocode? So easy. Okay, you just write. Ingat, Data type apa-apa dalam coding, you just put it module. Okay, module card area. So you have a double right? So ni masuk kan? So you just put it in double comma in with. Ni cara dia. In double comma in with. Okay, next we have double area, no need. Okay, tak perlu pun nak buat declaration, melainkan declaration ni ada initialization baru you letak set. Tapi ni tak ada kan, so tak perlu. So you just write it like this. Area equal length. Ni bukan in double Okay, this one is in length. Okay, length time width. Okay, and then return area kan, just write return area. That's all. Okay, jangan letak semicolon, nampak tak biasa pula saya ni. Okay, jangan letak semicolon. No need to put the semicolon, remember. Okay, next we found this one. So you just write it like this. Module styles needed. Okay, in area, in size. Okay, so you jumpa apa? 6 styles equal area divide by size, and you found the return 6 tile. Okay, so the last one is you found the void display data. So remember, just put it module display data in area in num tiles. Okay, so you found it inside the function, you have the CRT. So inside the pseudocode you just have what? This display. So display area of so area to be tiles. Okay, comma area. Okay, comma lagi new line. Okay, so next we have the display number of tiles required to tile the room. Okay, so comma num tiles. Okay, sorry, return. So inilah dia macam mana nak buat pseudocode. Okay, nampak? Okay, next saya nak ajar awak macam mana nak buat flowchart. Okay, flowchart for function. Okay, flowchart for the function. Okay, untuk flowchart for the function, kita start dengan main module kita. Okay, kita start dengan main module. So untuk flowchart kita just start dengan start lah. Okay, start. So bentuk start apa? Bujur. Okay, so lepas jumpa start, dia jumpa apa? Dia jumpa function call kan, call display. So bentuk call display, okay, modul call di dalam flowchart you kena buat kubur. Okay, bentuk kubur, this one. Okay, contoh you panggil call display. So mula macam ni, 4 segi, so tambah ujung ni. Okay, ingat kubur, ingat function call. Ni dia, ni bentuk function call. Okay, next kita jumpa apa? Next kita akan jumpa input and output and input. Okay, output and input. Ni sama je macam kita buat dulu. So turun bawah. Okay, so kita ada type display, enter align. Apa nanti dalam final report awak untuk projek, jangan guna tangan guna words. Okay, read blank. Okay, so nak sekalikan pun boleh. Okay, display, enter width of room. Okay, and then you have what? Read width. Okay, so remember macam mana bentuk untuk input ni. So dia sengit sikit. Ni dia. Dia sengit sikit. Okay. Okay, kalau awak kenalah guna words saya ajar ni guna tulis je lah. So next you jumpa apa? Call. Function call. Bentuk dia macam mana? Ingat kubur. So area, cut area. So length and width. So macam mana dia punya ni bentuk? Mula-mula buat petak 4. Petak 4. Lepas tu ada batu nisan tepi. Okay, kubur. Okay, ingat kubur. So next kita jumpa apa? Kita jumpa display, enter size of tiles in centimeter, and then read size tile. Okay, ni bentuk dia. So dia hancur saya buat. Okay. So next dia jumpa apa? Dia jumpa function call lagi. So function call. Okay, andai kata you tak muat nak buat ni, so you buat apa saja? Connector. Okay, connector. Okay, flowchart dan pseudocode berdasarkan coding awak. Kalau coding awak tu ada selection, ada repetition, so you guna-gunalah bentuk-bentuk selection dan juga repetition. So tengok balik chapter yang saya dah ajar. So next kita nak panggil apa? Function num tiles. Okay, tiles needed. Dia hantar area dengan size tile. So bentuk dia apa? Bentuk dia tiang kubur. Okay, macam ni. Macam ni. Okay. So next ada lagi nak panggil display data. Area 6 tiles. So buat 4 segi dulu. Okay, tarik sini ujung sikit. Dapatkan sikit. Dah siap. Okay, dan akhir sekali you akan jumpa apa? You akan jumpa ni cara dia. Okay, so dah habis untuk main module. So macam mana pula bentuk flowchart for the function? So very easy. Okay, untuk bentuk function, okay, so bentuk dia macam start and end. So macam mana nak buat? First kita letak dia module display. Okay, module display. So bentuk dia macam ni, sama macam start and end. Lepas tu you jumpa apa? You jumpa display, right? So display. Okay, welcome bla 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 bla. Yang ikut saya, comma new line kena letak So display the cost bla 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 bla. Okay, so new line. So macam mana bentuk display? Bentuk display sengit sikit. Parallelogram. So turun ke bawah you jumpa apa? Return. Nampak? Okay, ni bentuk function. So untuk function yang kedua, saya tunjuk sampai yang kedua ni je. Function saya nak buat. So yang kedua kita ada, okay, buat dulu module count area. Ingat in length, in width. So apa bentuk dia? Bentuk dia macam side. Okay. So turun bawah you jumpa apa? You jumpa process. So buat je area equal to length time width. Bentuk proses apa? Bentuk dia adalah segi 4. Okay. So bila turun bawah lagi jumpa return area kan. So return area. Okay, buat. Inilah contoh-contoh macam mana nak buat orang kata nak buat flowchart dan pseudocode for the function. Andai kata function awak tu ada contoh, saya bagi coding function awak, contohnya void find max. Ni contoh coding saya nak ajar awak yang ada reference macam mana kita nak buat dia punya ni. Okay, contoh dia terima integer 61, integer 62. Okay, and then dia ada integer ampersand max, comma integer ampersand min. Okay, ini coding dia. Ini coding lah and bla 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 dalam ni. So macam mana dia punya pseudocode? So pseudocode dia adalah module find max min integer in kan, in 61, in 62. So reference ni kan dia masuk keluar. So gantikan kepada in out max. So kat sini pun in out min. Ni contoh dia. Ini pseudocode for reference para meter. So sama juga. So dalam ni dia ada buat dia punya statement. So last sekali ada return. Ingat bila you melibatkan reference parameter, dia tak ada return value. Return dia melalui parameter. Okay. So boleh lah So kalau anda kata coding awak confirm dia akan ada repetition, ada selection. So ini contoh-contoh dia lah. Okay, ini main modul dia. Yang ini di mana function dia ada repetition. Dia buat repetition tu dalam function. So boleh jadi macam ni. Okay. Boleh jadi macam ni, di mana dekat dalam main modul awak ada selection, ada function call, ini selection. Boleh jadi ada juga repetition kat sini. Dan ini dah contoh-contoh modul dia. Okay, nampak? Okay. So saya harap awak boleh buatlah benda ni.
Okay guys, so that is how we write and draw flowchart for the function. So I hope that you can understand how to draw it, because this is very important. You need to input it inside your project. So that's all guys, thank you.